Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and if you're in the market for a new lawnmower, listen up, because on today's episode of Stuff We Love, we've got two great options, and we're gonna throw in an old school sprinkler that's still relevant today. Let's check it out. Here we have Ryobi's 40-volt brushless self-propelled lawnmower. Now, electric lawnmowers are great. That means no gas and no oil to maintain. All you have to do is keep your batteries charged and you're good to go. And it looks an awful lot like your old gas-powered lawnmowers. Starting up here at the handle, we've got our safety bail up here, but one push of a button turns the blades on and you're ready to go. It's also got a self-propelled feature here that you can adjust the speed on. Just pull the trigger and you are off. One of the other cool features about this lawnmower is the easy off grass clipping bag. You just lift it off, dump your grass clippings, and then put it right back on. Or you can leave it off and put in the mulching attachment. The height adjustment is also really simple. All you have to do is pull this trigger and push or pull to your desired height, and you're good to go. One other thing that this lawnmower has is that it's got this 21-inch steel deck, which makes it feel and look like an old school gas lawnmower. It's really solid and really beefy. Now these run about $450 and they come with a 7.5 amp hour battery and a charger, and you can get them at Home Depot. Again, that is the Ryobi 40-volt brushless self-propelled mower. Now here we have an old school sprinkler. It's the Nelson Rain Train Traveling Sprinkler. Now, the original version of this was produced back in the 1930s, and it hasn't changed a whole lot, but there are some really cool upgrades that have happened. First of all, it's made of cast iron inside this plastic body. It's really heavy and feels really well built and durable. Now, this version also has adjustable arms so you can adjust the spread of the water, and it's got this really cool automatic stop. How the Rain Train works is you screw in a hose in the back and then lay out the hose in a path that you want the Rain Train to follow. The front wheel will track the hose and then the water will propel the wheels along that path. You can also choose high or low speeds, and when it gets to the end of the path, it will run over the automatic stop block and automatically stop. Now this is a really cool sprinkler system, and it only costs 60 bucks. You can find them at Walmart. Again, that is the Nelson Rain Train Traveling Sprinkler. Here we have the Ego Power Plus Select Cut Lawnmower. Now it's operated with Ego's 56-volt battery system, and it's got some features that you'd expect from any high-end battery-operated lawnmower. It's got this really easy to adjust cutting height right here. It's got headlights just in case you want to cut your lawn in the dark. It is also self-propelled, and you can adjust how fast or slow you want the lawnmower to go. One other thing I like is that the handle flips way up, it retracts, and you can store it upright, unlike your gas lawnmowers. A few other things I really like about this is the handle is adjustable. So if you're tall, you can keep it way up high like this, or if you're short like me, you can drop it down to a position where it's really comfortable for you. Now, one thing that's unique about this lawnmower is that it cuts with two blades, and the bottom blade is actually interchangeable. You can choose between a more powerful mulching blade or a longer lasting blade to get longer run time. Now, these mowers are available at Home Depot for about 650 bucks and come with a 7.5 amp hour battery and charger. Remember, that is the Ego Power Plus Select Cut Lawnmower. So there you have it, two really great options of battery-operated lawnmowers and an old-school sprinkler that we at Family Handyman love, and we know that you will too. So we'll see you next time on Stuff We Love.